Here we go, coming back to green, and we're back to green with Ross Chastain and Ken Hinecut. NASCAR Cross Constructors race. Chastain lead, Eckes in second. On back stretch with 2 laps to go. And overtime. Heim making 3 wide. Here we come, off the final turn, coming up to the last lap. Our white flag is out, 1 lap to go. On the back stretch for a long time, Chastain is in the lead, Heim in second. Heim singing there. Here comes Heim. Heim is taking the lead away from Ross Chastain. Off turn number 4. Here comes Heim. Heim wins at Darlington.